Good evening, and thank you for joining us on this busy Thursday night. Tonight, President Biden has now joined many of us who have tested positive for COVID-19 and is now forced to work from home. Of course, that home is the White House and is equipped by a full medical staff and team. The president tweeted out a photo and video since his diagnosis. He just returned from the Middle East and was in Massachusetts on Wednesday, where he came into contact with several members of Congress. The First Lady and Vice President Kamala Harris are also considered close contacts. As of now, neither of them has tested positive. More than 2 years into the pandemic, cases are once again on the rise. Health officials are blaming the BA.5 Omicron subvariant. New cases are up more than 27% in the last month alone. We have a lot of news to get to tonight, including how the president is being treated, and CBS's Nancy Cordes will start us off from the White House. It's been a busy day there today. Good evening, Nancy.
Good evening. It sure has, Nora. White House protocols helped to protect the president from contracting COVID for more than 2 years. But now he has joined the estimated 200 million Americans who have been infected with this virus.
Hey, folks, guess you heard. This morning I tested positive for COVID.
Speaking from a White House balcony, a slightly congested President Biden said he's feeling well enough to keep working in isolation.
Thanks for your concern, and keep the faith. It's going to be okay.
In a letter, White House doctor Kevin O'Connor said Mr. Biden tested positive for COVID during a routine screening this morning and has developed mild symptoms, including a runny nose, fatigue, and an occasional dry cough. The president was promptly prescribed a 5-day course of Paxlovid, an antiviral drug that dramatically reduces the risk of severe COVID. Visiting schools in Detroit, the First Lady immediately slipped on a mask.
He's doing fine. He's feeling good. I tested negative this morning.
Contact tracing has begun. The president spent time yesterday with 3 senators and the governor of Rhode Island. On Tuesday, he welcomed Ukraine's First Lady to the White House.
We always said that this was a possibility.
Dr. Ashish Jha is the White House COVID coordinator and spoke to the president this morning.
He hadn't even been able to finish his breakfast because he had just been busy. I encouraged him to finish his breakfast. The good news is his immune system is very well protected given the 4 vaccine shots he's gotten.
Tests will confirm whether the 79-year-old president was infected by the highly contagious BA.5 subvariant, which is now responsible for nearly 80% of all U.S. cases. The number of daily cases has nearly tripled in the past 3 months, and hospitalizations are up 20% just in the past 2 weeks. Dr. Jha says President Biden does not have a fever and that his oxygen levels are normal. For now, the president will continue to hold meetings via phone and by Zoom in the White House residence until he tests negative, while the First Lady is going to be staying at their residence in Delaware. Nora?
Nancy Cordes, thank you very much.